guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Iseehair. They sent me over this wig. This is the new M cap wig, everything like that, but this one is straight and it's actually really long. I do not remember. Oh, I actually need to fix my part because you can see my cap right here. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm just using my concealer brush. This is my concealer brush. It's a flat brush. It has leftover concealer on it. I'm gonna put it down in the front right here. I think that looks better. I can flatten out the wig a little bit more, but I'm not going to because I'm really hot right now. So yeah, I'm so excited about this because it's so freaking long. Hold on, look how long this is. Look how long this wig is. I do not remember the last time I had a wig this long. It's all the way down here. I think it's 26 inches. I haven't worn a super long wig in a very long time. So yeah, it's 26 inches. So yeah, today's wig is from Iseehair. So I did show you guys everything in the packaging and all of that. So let's get right into this video so you guys can see all the stuff that came with this beautiful wig and how quick I installed it, because I did like the quickest install and I couldn't even find my lace tint that I like to use. So I'm just improvising. I'm using the old color I used to use before. I think it worked out pretty well, so I'm not even complaining. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, this is the packaging that the wig comes in. It literally looks like a shopping bag, so freaking pretty. And then the box inside looks like this, very high quality, but the mail people destroyed my box. Anyways, this is the inside of the packaging. The wig comes packaged on top, and then you get a bonnet. I actually like this bonnet. It's really pretty. So I decided to put it on just to show you guys how it looks. And then they give you 2 wig caps so you can choose, and then a little bit of information about their M cap. They give you some lashes, a whole packet of lashes, and some of the removable accessories. The combs that are in the wig, they're removable, so if you lose them, you have some. And then this is the demo of how the cap looks. This is the cap construction for their M cap. These have been blowing my mind, literally. But you can see right here the removable section. So this is where the removable combs are. And then they have this band in the wig. I wish they had like a black one, but you don't see it, so that's okay. And then I just put it on so you guys can see how it looks. It lays super comfortable, very flat. And I love this because then you can see how the wig looks without the hair. So yeah, this is how the wig is going to lay on your head. And now I'm going to put it on. I'm so excited to put this wig on, actually. So this is the wig straight out of the packaging. I had this wig for like a couple days or maybe like a week or so, and it's literally been sitting in the packaging and it's still silky. I love how it's pre-cut and it has a plucked hairline, and this comes with a little tag. Everything just looks very high quality, so I appreciate that. So I'm gonna play some music because my voice is finally coming back, but I'm still sounding a little stuffy. So I'll play some music and you guys can watch me install, and then I'll talk to you at the end of the video.
I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you a lady, but at home, nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets when it's dark out and come home, pull your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No, that's 24 hours. Lately I've been thinking about us. You as real as they come, but you would rather be on them drugs. I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that. throw that, well, when I throw that, better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day to run the streets in the dark out, to come through and blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone, no, no. House. Just.
I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign running on diesel, dog. Playing with my name is lethal, dog. Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dog. Don't just say it down, you gotta show me. You gotta bring the clip back empty. You asked to see the ball, so they sent me, dog. I just broke her off with a 10-piece, dog. There ain't nothing, I'm just being friendly, dog. Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't going playing ball, but I show you how to got it. If you really wanna fall till you fall and your back against the wall, and a bunch of need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night and did it all day. Yeah, got a murk on me in a hallway. Got a sticky and a stupid at my dark place. Girl, I left you love it magic, now it's all shade. Still going bad on you anyway. Whoa. I can feel like 80 rats in my Marys. Me and Drizzy back to back, it's getting scary. If you fucking with my eyes, just don't come near me. Put some bands all on your head like Jason Terry. Whoa. Rich and Millie cause a Lambo. Known to keep the better, drunk commando. Every time I'm in my trap, I move like Rambo. Ain't a neighborhood in Philly that I can't go. For real. She said, oh, you rich. I graduated, call me Big Fish. I got Lori Hurry on my wish list. That's the only thing I want for Christmas. I been in my way out here, yeah, no, that's facts. You ain't living like you said, yeah, we know that's cat. You ain't got to ask when you see me, no, I'm straight. DCOVO, we back again, we going back. Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't going playing ball, but I'll show you how to got to do. If you really wanna fall till you fall and your back against the wall, and a bunch of need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night, but did it all day.
Catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. You already seen me in the beginning. Absolutely love this. If you guys are interested in this wig, I'll have it linked down below. Don't forget to check out Iseehair. I will have the links down below, all the information, coupon codes, everything like that. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. I'm super excited about this hair. Like, okay, so now I have like my favorite straight hair, my favorite curly hair. If you guys need a straight wig, definitely recommend you guys to check this one out. I don't know, I don't even think I've seen like another person's video reviewing this wig, so I'm not sure, but it's bomb. So just search up MCAP ISEE wig, ISEE straight wig, and see if other people are like doing this wig. Like, this wig is really bomb, like so freaking bomb. Look, like what? Alright guys, thank you so much for checking out my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.